To this, it's February 28, 2016. This is the carbon monoxide report from yesterday, and it's very high. It was very high. So I looked on the telecast map, and I see there was 3 earthquakes there in that area yesterday, a 3.2, which is pretty big, and that could account for that high concentration of carbon monoxide. Plus there were volcanoes going off all in the Pacific Rim. Now let's get back to this map. So this was yesterday. Today is the 28th. There it is. Alright, it's high up here and it's high over here. 3.6 in Nevada. Well, I'll leave you the map and you could check this on your own. You got different combinations of chemicals, air, ocean, chemical. Now you could go 3 hours earlier or a day earlier. Three hours later. Let's see what happens. What is that? Well, it's going out this way. Out. The wind is going this way. Then it's going up, over, and around. Okay guys, I'll leave you with the link to this, and I want to thank Gary Larrabee for bringing this to my attention through another subscriber. I can't remember his name right now. Okay,